time to learn the right hand. So we're going to place finger 3 here on the A. So that puts your whole right hand in the F position. Incidentally, this is middle C. Okay, so you want to just move up to the A there above middle C, but below treble C. Okay, so here we go. Most people know how the Moonlight Sonata sounds. So we're going to hold this Moonlight theme. You could add some kind of a lyric to it. I just called Moonlight theme because this is the most recognizable portion of the Moonlight Sonata. So we're just going to hold that one quick, and then we're going to hold it very long there at the end. Okay, and we'll do that twice. After that, we're going to move up here, B flat, 4th finger on B flat. If you know anything about the scale of F, the pentascale, this is the F major pentascale, 5-finger scale. B is flat. All right, so those are the notes that you're using for this section. So back to the melody here. Start there on finger 4 on the B flat. You're going to go back down to the A, down to the G. So it's just a walk down there of those 3 fingers walking down from B flat. Use finger 5 on C and finish off there on the 1 on F. And this is basically the melody for that first section that we just learned the left hand for. I'll show you that one more time. We're going to start there on the A. Hold it nice and long. We'll talk about how long exactly when we put the hands together. Repeat that. Up you come now to the B flat. Now recall, we're moving down 3 here, down to the G, go to the C with finger 5, and the F with finger number 1. The right hand should never leave this F position. So now how do we put that together? Well, the hardest part for the beginner anyway will be to actually put the hands together on that first section where we have that quick note there. Okay, so you're going to have to take a little bit of time. If you're a beginner, let's just break this down into its parts. So basically this A holds for all 3 notes in the left hand. 1, 2, 3, and then you have to play it really quickly. Okay? 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And when you say that 1 again, when you play that the 3rd time, that's with a C sharp. So again, making it very, very slow here. 1, 2, 3. Play this again, and then together on the C sharp, and you're just going to get to hold that left hand there, or sorry, hold the right hand while the left hand plays a bunch of A7s. Okay? And then you would do the same thing again. Okay, and that's as much as I'm going to do there before we talk about how the hands go together at the introduction. So we'll add in the introduction. We had said that the song actually starts here with a D minor. We're going to play that 3 times. Now remember though, it was 4 times. So that means on the 4th time, that's where the right hand comes in. And then repeat the A, move down to the A7, where the pinky goes to the C sharp. Remember, you're doing this 4 times. Now again, as we did at the beginning, the left hand's going to play that chord 3 times. On the 4th time, the right hand has to join. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now that's where the D played twice. Remember here, the next step in the left hand is to go up there at the top. In other words, the top of the hand moves up. And that chord was also played twice. So those 2 times will be with the B flat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we moved the whole hand down in the left hand. We're going to do this twice as well in the left hand. And down we go to the A. 3, 1, 2, 3. So you can see how they pair up. Where the thumb is on B flat, the right hand is actually going to play the B flat. Where the thumb is on A, the right hand is going to play the A. All right, and now if you recall the first section there in the left hand, these 2 now spread apart. The thumb goes to B flat, the 2nd finger goes down, or the F becomes the E. This is the chord that we're going to use. We're going to play that twice, and that goes with a G. But only once. On the 2nd time, that's where the pinky plays the C. Okay, so just to review, in the right hand, our sequence was that we had to walk down those 3 notes from the B flat, and then we finished on C with our pinky, and 1 on F. So where we are right now in the sequence is we finished our walk down, we're on the G here. There we go. We play one broken chord in the left hand. That second time we play the broken chord is with a C. There you go. And when you finish here on the F, intuitively enough, the left hand also goes back to the F. It's going to play that F 4 times in total, but it'll do 3 times before you have to repeat it. And then you have to go down there to that A7. This is what we did at the beginning. So if you think of it like this, the sequence at the very beginning of the song started with a D minor, and then it went to the A7. In other words, Pinky goes on C sharp. But now, the second time through, there's a repetition. We're basically cutting out the D minor at the beginning, and we're going straight back into that C sharp. And the pattern picks up, or the sequence picks up right there at the C sharp. Okay? And then you're doing the same thing now on the second repetition. You're going to hold this, play it for 3. On the 4th time, the right hand is going to have to play together. So 1, 2, 3, and 1. Remember, D minor plays only twice here. Then we move the top of the chord up, B flat, twice. We're going to move the whole hand down now and down to the A. This is twice. This should be familiar. We did this the first time through. So this is just repetition, exactly the same as the first time. You're going to come down now to the G. Remember, that was where the hands spread apart. 1, 2, 3. And the second time you play this chord in the left hand, you're going to play that with the pinky on C. There you go. And finish off on the F again. So we're going to do it 3 times. On the 4th time, that's where a new section starts in the left hand. And we haven't talked about that yet, but I'll just play the first few bars because that will then hopefully cue you as to what is coming up next. So if anybody needs a review, you can stop the video now and put it together. If not, I'm just going to show you that whole thing one more time from the top, repeating both sections. So we start there. The whole song starts on the D minor. We play this 3 times. On the 4th time, the right hand joins. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So the left hand is now playing 3 repetitions of this chord that starts there on the C sharp. On the 4th time, hands together. And 1. D minor twice. Then we're going to move the top 2 notes of the D minor up, match up those B flats, 1, 2, 3, so that's for 2. Come on down, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to do this twice. Come on down, spread that chord apart in the left hand, and the second time we add in a C and finish off on 1 with the F. So we're doing this now 4 times. On the 4th time, the right hand plays that theme. So we're going to go straight to that C sharp now for 4 bars. On the 4th bar, the right hand joins. 2, 3, and 1. For 2 beats here, 2 bars. Up to the B flat now. 1, 2, 3 for 2 bars. And down. Whole hand down for 2 bars. Down to the G for 1 bar, up to the C for the 2nd bar, and then to the F. You're going to do a total of 4, but those first 3, those are the ones that count on this. You might as well just go up, play that F there with finger 3, together with the 4th bar here on F. That'll set you up for the second section.